Where we at now? This is where we used to get all that good ass food from. Chinese shit. Now it's somebody's motherfucking mansion right here. Look at this shit, Tashon. Tashon. Wow, man. And look, Tashon. Tashon, you ain't gonna believe this shit, Tashon. The donut shop is gone. Man. Come on, man. Come on, man. The donut shop is gone, man. No more coffee and donuts, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. The pet shop is gone where you probably got your turtle from. Come on, man. Come on, man.